How to fix Discord failed to update. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps. On apps you will open Discord. When it's opening, just go to storage. On storage, click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another